Welcome to Fidelity's new account opening tool that allows you to create multiple accounts for one or more account holders, initiate multiple transfer of assets, include additional feature forms, and attach your own firm documents, all via a streamlined digital solution. So let's look at the Open New Accounts dashboard. To launch the tool, simply click the Open New Accounts button to start the account opening process. Before we do so, you'll see the dashboard provides the ability to look for drafts of applications that you or somebody else at your firm previously started. You can resume work on a new account draft or delete a draft that you no longer need. With integrations into Service Center, you can also view recent submissions to monitor the status of your submitted accounts. Additionally, at a glance, you can view the most recent information since you last accessed the tool. So let's go ahead and open some new accounts. First off, we'll decide how we want to refer to this group. And then as you'll see, the tool can support a variety of registration types, as well as separately managed accounts of those same account types. Users can select up to 5 accounts based on the registration and can include 3 transfer of assets per account. For this example, let's open an individual account and an IRA. As you progress through the workflow, you'll have the option to nickname the account if you choose so, and then also decide whether the account should be separately managed or not. We provide 2 sign-in experiences. Fidelity eSign is a Fidelity-hosted sign-in experience that enables Wealthscape users to submit accounts with incomplete data and allows their customers to fill in the gaps, make corrections to the data entered, and authorize the transactions via a simple click-to-agree experience. We also provide the ability to utilize Docusign that collects e-signatures for account opening and account feature artifacts. Signers receive an email from Docusign to start the e-signature ceremony. Let's take a look at an account ceremony that we have in motion. Please note, if you need to add additional accounts before moving forward, you can do so right here in the right-hand corner. As we progress, you'll see that the tool provides a streamlined data entry process, allowing you to leverage previously entered data about the account holder by simply typing in their name, utilizing the lookup functionality to pull in information from an existing client, or we have the ability to pull in data directly from an approved vendor via Wealthscape's integrations. As we move on, the system will check to see if there are any other individuals in the Fidelity database that match the information being entered to reduce not in good order items before moving forward. And as you progress through the new account opening bundle, you'll see a variety of features that can be added, such as prime brokerage and margin. We can see that you can add your trusted contact information if that's something you would like to include. We also have the ability to add beneficiaries, as well as to designate your asset movement authorization, and include any stand-in instructions that you want to add to the account. This can include up to 22 stand-in instructions, so 5 checks, 7 journals, 5 wires, and 5 EFTs. We can also include our transfer of assets from our delivering broker, as well as the ability to add or include statements. The second account would follow suit, as we just saw. We also have the ability to include statement householding, account access rights, and then clients go through a 2-factor authentication to make sure their data is secure. This includes an SMS text message, a phone call, or knowledge-based questions depending on what dropdown you choose. During this process, your clients are enrolling in eDelivery at account opening and receive an eDelivery client consent during the electronic sign-in process. And during the final stages of creating your account bundle, you can upload proprietary firm-level documents and tag them directly within the new account opening tool, or upload pre-tagged documents as needed. This allows your customer, and if needed, the advisor, to electronically sign both account opening and firm documents once in the sign-in ceremony. The firm documents are combined into a single envelope where the signer reviews and signs the documents electronically. And when the sign-in ceremony has been completed, both the end client and the advisor can see the completed documents, and the documents are available to be downloaded in Wealthscape.